Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Amazon Web Services, AWS, provides a powerful command line interface, CLI, that allows users to interact with various AWS services directly from the command line. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the AWS CLI with Python 3 to automate tasks and manage AWS resources programmatically. Before you begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites. AWS CLI installed. Make sure you have the AWS CLI installed on your machine. You can download and install it from here. AWS CLI Configured. Configure your AWS CLI with the necessary credentials. You can do this by running AWS Configure and providing your AWS Access Key ID, secret access key, region, and output format. Python 3 installed. Ensure that Python 3 is installed on your machine. You can download Python from python.org. Boto3 installed. Boto3 is the official AWS SDK for Python. Install it using the following command. Let's go through some basic examples to demonstrate how to use the AWS CLI with Python 3 using the Boto3 library. This script uses the Boto3 library to create an S3 client and then lists all S3 buckets associated with your AWS account. This script uses Boto3 to create an EC2 client and then launches an EC2 instance with specified parameters. Save the Python scripts with a.py extension, example s3_list_buckets.py or ec2_create_instance.py, and run them using the Python interpreter. These are just basic examples, and you can explore more functionality provided by Boto3 and the AWS CLI to automate various AWS tasks using Python. Refer to the Boto3 documentation for detailed information on available services and methods. Remember to handle errors and exceptions appropriately in your scripts, and consider using IAM roles and policies to manage AWS permissions securely. ChatGPT. AWS Command Line Interface, AWS CLI, is a powerful tool that allows you to interact with Amazon Web Services, AWS, resources directly from the command line. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use AWS CLI with Python 3, enabling you to automate various AWS tasks programmatically. Before you begin, make sure you have the following. AWS CLI installed. Ensure that the AWS CLI is installed on your machine. You can download and install it from here. AWS account. You need an AWS account with the necessary permissions to interact with AWS resources. Python 3 installed. Make sure Python 3 is installed on your machine. You can download it from here. Boto3 library. Boto3 is the official AWS SDK for Python. Install it using the following command. First, configure AWS CLI by running the following command in your terminal. You will be prompted to enter your AWS access key, secret key, default region, and output format. Let's start with a simple example of listing all S3 buckets using Python and AWS CLI. Now, let's create an EC2 instance using Python and AWS CLI. Remember to replace placeholder values in the code with your actual AWS resource information. These examples demonstrate how you can use Python to invoke AWS CLI commands programmatically. Feel free to explore the AWS CLI documentation and Boto3 documentation for more advanced use cases and customization options. ChatGPT.